Hello, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on your iPhone 17 Pro. So first of all, of course, go to App Store on your phone, and at the bottom side of your screen you have to tap this search bar and type YouTube. Tap search button and find YouTube icon. Tap here, and basically here you will see get icon that you want to get button that you want to tap. But as you can see on my screen, I have this cloud icon, and that's because I have already installed YouTube application to my phone, and I just deleted it, and it shows me my cloud icon. But basically this is the same as get button. So make sure please that you're signed into your Apple ID. But if you're not signed into your Apple account, there will be a prompt that will ask for your Apple ID and password for that. So enter all those details correctly to basically continue. But if you are signed in, then you will be just asked to double tap the side button of your phone to confirm the download. And basically the app will begin downloading. And once it's finished, the YouTube icon will appear on your home screen, and you can tap it to open the application. So let's wait, or you can simply open YouTube from the App Store. Let's press open button, and boom, this is my YouTube application that I have to sign in or log in, or simply I want to create my new YouTube account. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.